Welcome to the first part of Technology Behind Cloud Token. This video was designed to provide you with some basic knowledge about Cloud Token and the services it offers. To fully understand Cloud Token, you need to understand terms like blockchain, cryptocurrencies, mobile payments, exchanges, and AI trading. All these areas are of primary relevance to Cloud Token Wallet as it enters the fast-growing space at the intersection of blockchain and mobile payment technology. It is highly recommended that users new to these concepts watch the video, so they feel as confident about Cloud Token Wallet's foundations as its early adopters. Cloud Token Wallet is more than just another crypto wallet. Not only is it a true decentralized wallet, it is fully distributed. Hold on, distributed? That's probably a term that needs some more explanation. Distributed is a term that is often used when talking about the blockchain. Blockchain is a distributed database existing on multiple computers at the same time. First-generation blockchains, led by Bitcoin, laid the conceptual and technical foundation for distributed ledgers and introduced the concept of trustless financial decentralization. The Bitcoin blockchain is a decentralized public ledger of transactions. Each node, computer within a network of interconnected nodes, maintains a copy of the blockchain, the ledger, so that if one node goes down, all the others have a copy. Second-generation blockchains, led by Ethereum, brought a little automation to distributed ledgers in the form of smart contracts. This enabled people to issue their own tokens and sparked a proliferation of token generation events and token sales, initial coin offerings or ICOs, many of them based on big dreams and bad faith. Ethereum, whose transactions are a little cheaper and a little faster than Bitcoin, is still far too unwieldy for everyday transactions. Scalability remains a problem. Cloud Token Wallet leverages a brilliant fourth-generation distributed ledger that has all the attributes that benefit users in the real world for all sorts of real-world applications. In addition to the redundancy, security, and immutability of earlier generations, Cloud Token Wallet's DLT, distributed ledger technology, adds real-time settlement, practically infinite scalability, interoperability with legacy systems, energy efficiency, resistance to human error and malicious attacks, and much more. Significantly, the DLT employed by Cloud Token Wallet is fully distributed, not merely decentralized. What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency, informally crypto, coin, or token, is a digital asset tracked by distributed ledger technology, DLT. Some DLTs are focused on a single crypto. The Bitcoin blockchain, for example, is a decentralized ledger for the Bitcoin BTC crypto. Other DLTs are platforms that facilitate the launch of cryptos for multiple applications. The Ethereum DLT keeps track of Ethereum, ETH, plus thousands of third-party tokens that are based on several Ethereum standards. The most widely used standard is ERC20. What is a cryptocurrency wallet? Unlike a physical wallet in which one can keep cash and cards, a crypto wallet does not actually store crypto. Cryptocurrencies are digital, they are virtual, they cannot be held in one's hands. Crypto assets of every stripe are always stored on their distributed ledger, which also records all the transactions between accounts. Public keys versus private keys. A crypto wallet stores an account holder's public keys and private keys. Crypto balances on a DLT are associated with the public keys of their respective account holders, which are like bank account numbers. Private keys are more like bank account passwords. As the term private key suggests, an account holder must keep their private key private and secure, or risk losing the stored value of their crypto account to a third party. What are mobile payments? Due to their convenience and user-friendliness, mobile wallets are rapidly being adopted by consumers for both fiat-based electronic payments and crypto transactions. This is the continuation of a long trend in favor of cashless payments, which are payments that do not involve the handover of banknotes and coins. What is a cryptocurrency exchange? Similar to a stock exchange, which facilitates trade in the shares of public companies, and a commodities exchange, which facilitates trade in commodities, a cryptocurrency exchange facilitates trade in cryptos. There are several types of crypto exchange. Centralized exchanges dominate. Many investors in and users of crypto subscribe to the decentralization promise of DLTs, yet practically all of the crypto trading volume flows through centralized exchanges, 99.8%, according to Satis Group. Decentralized exchanges are clunky. DEXs are designed to operate trustlessly, with smart contracts rather than intermediaries facilitating settlement. There is no central server to manipulate or corrupt or shut down, and because trades are undertaken directly between the two parties with no intermediary involvement, there are zero or minimal transaction fees. What is AI trading? An artificial intelligence (AI) trading bot autonomously initiates exchange trades on behalf of an investor according to a strategy-based algorithm. Trading bots and their algorithms are usually backtested against historical price data in a market to verify their effectiveness and to determine their expected rate of return. The theoretical past performance of a bot is no guarantee of future performance because the nature and behavior of markets can change, thereby blunting the effectiveness of a bot's algorithm. Hopefully you now have a strong foundation of knowledge of cryptocurrencies, crypto wallets, mobile payments, exchanges, and AI trading. This knowledge is of primary relevance to Cloud Token Wallet. Please watch Cloud Token Tech Part 2 to get a deeper understanding about the technology behind Cloud Token.